studies in the United States, actually the population with the highest levels of mathematics anxiety is trainee primary school teachers who are gonna teach math. And they are mostly women, probably, especially in the United States, and they may be very anxious about math because they feel insecure about their own math. If we think about the excellent levels of math education in the UK, no, not the UK, US, sorry, I'm ironic. So if they are very insecure, they are already anxious when they learn to teach, they go to schools, they obviously transmit lots of these anxiety further, and they are probably still insecure about their math knowledge if they don't get proper education in mathematics themselves. So lots of things. I'm sure it's very socially generated, all this phenomenon.
In simplistic terms, is there any evidence to suggest that this is a condition that students can outgrow of? Like students who at young age demonstrate symptoms of dyscalculia at an older age without any intervention, just no longer have the symptoms?
It's again a very important question, and longitudinal studies are needed to respond these very clearly. They are expensive, as I mentioned, and they are, unfortunately, that's a very important fact, they are unlikely to get funded because they are just very expensive. Sounds extremely trivial, but we have some information about the long-term stability of dyscalculia, and according to some studies I know, and there are only a few of them, at least half the pupils who were very weak in math, so were in the dyscalculic range, they stayed there. In the countries where these studies were done, like US, Israel, these kind of countries which I can remember had the only studies on this. So that's probably quite a lot. Yeah, that's the only empirical information I have, really.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I think we have to stop right here, but then actually tomorrow we will have 2 more workshops on educational neuroscience, as well as the second one would be related to mathematics development as well. So I think we still have very limited places, so if you would like to join us as well, so you can actually register on the website. So we will be having a website on the leaflet there, so you can also join as well, or maybe you can stay behind for very quick questions as well. Okay, let's have a big round of applause, and thank you, Dr. Szűcs, once again. And I'll leave time to Jay to have some logistic arrangement here.
Thank you, Dr. Bernard Wong and Dr. Szűcs, for your great presentation. And I'm definitely one of the girls who have the math anxiety and anxiety for all things. So we're looking forward to the treatment very soon. Okay, thank you once again, ladies and gentlemen. And this is the end of this opening ceremony and the public lecture. I hope you found this public lecture informative and useful. And I would like to request for your assistance in completing the evaluation form, and kindly hand your completed forms to my colleagues at the registration counter. And we also have a mini exhibition in the Activity Room 1, which is next to the lecture theater. And you may visit the exhibition and learn more about the Hong Kong Xinyuan University and the IDS project. And thank you for spending time with us today. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.